Hello everyone, welcome back to English Evolution Step 1. Let's talk about Sarah, about her life and family. There are 3 ways in English to give one's name. Listen and practice. The first one, I can say, she is Sarah. The second one, I can say, her name is Sarah. The third one, I can say, she is called Sarah. We can use these 3 ways with both gender, male or female. Okay, let's get started. She is Sarah. She is 20 years old. She lives in USA. She is English. She can speak English. She can write English. Don't forget to repeat after me. She can read English. Her father is from England. Her mother is from New York. She is American. Okay, let me tell you about her daily life. Wake up time. She wakes up at 6:30 a.m. At 6:30 in the morning, Shara's alarm goes off, and she gets out of bed. She brushes her teeth. Also washes her face. And combs her hair. As you can see, breakfast time at 7 o'clock a.m. Around 7 o'clock after waking up, she goes to the kitchen. In the kitchen, Sarah makes scrambled eggs, toast and coffee. While sipping her coffee, she checks her phone for messages from her friends. Going to work at 8 o'clock a.m. Sarah grabs her backpack. At 8 o'clock after sipping her coffee, and walks to the bus stop. She takes the bus to her workplace. At the office at 9 o'clock a.m., Sarah greets her co-workers. At the office, before starting work, and settles into her cubicle. She works on emails. Also attends meetings. And completes tasks. Lunch break at 12:30 p.m. Sarah eats her packed lunch. A salad with veggies. She chats with colleagues. About weekend plans. Afternoon work 2:00 p.m. Back at her desk. Sarah focuses on writing blog posts. Sometimes she daydreams about traveling. Heading home 6:00 p.m. Sarah leaves the office and takes the bus home. During the ride, she listens to a podcast. Dinner at 7:30 p.m. Sarah cooks spaghetti with marinara sauce and a salad. She sets the table and enjoys her meal. Relaxation, 8:30 p.m. Sarah reads a book or watches TV. Her cat, Whiskers, keeps her company. Bedtime, 10:00 p.m. Sarah changes into pajamas, brushes her teeth, and gets into bed. Before sleeping, she checks social media briefly. After all, Shara goes to sleep safely. This is what Sarah is doing, and how Sarah is, and what we can learn from her life.